Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
You didn't notice it because it didn't arrive with robots. No explosions, no warnings, just silence. One day, a designer lost his job. The next day, a writer, then a programmer. And now, it's knocking on your door. A few years ago, artificial intelligence was just a tool, something you used. Now, it's something that's slowly replacing you. It writes articles, creates art, edits videos, answers questions, better, faster, cheaper. And the scariest part? It never gets tired. Let's be honest. When you first heard about AI, you probably thought, cool, this will make life easier. But no one told you what happens when you're no longer needed. Remember Game of Thrones? Jon Snow once said, "The long night is coming, and the dead come with it." Back then, it sounded like fantasy. But today, the long night isn't darkness, it's automation. And the dead? Not people, jobs. Companies aren't emotional. They don't care how hard you worked. They care about efficiency. And AI is the perfect worker. No salary, no breaks, no complaints. Imagine this. Why hire 10 people when one AI can do it all? This isn't the future. It's already happening. Customer support to AI, content writing to AI, graphic design to AI, coding to AI. Even decision-making is slowly shifting. Think about the Matrix. Humans believed they were in control, but the system was already controlling them. Now look around. Your feed, your recommendations, your choices. How many of them are truly yours? Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's replacing thinking. When you stop solving problems, stop creating, stop questioning, you slowly become dependent. And dependence is the first step to control. In Iron Man, Tony Stark said, "I shouldn't be alive unless it was for a reason." The question is, if AI can do everything, what's your reason? This is where most people get it wrong. They think the problem is AI. No. The problem is people staying average while machines evolve. Because here's the truth no one tells you. AI will not replace you if you learn how to control it. The future belongs to two types of people: those who use AI, those who are replaced by it. So the question is simple. Will you become irreplaceable or invisible? Because the takeover already started, quietly, silently. And whether you realize it or not, you're already part of it.
What do you say to someone who might argue if the systems become benevolent, just turn them off?
They will be able to manipulate people, right? And these will be very good at convincing people, because they'll have learned from all the novels that were ever written, all the books by Machiavelli, all the political connivances. They'll know all that stuff. They'll know how to do it.